Here's an easy confidence booster for you. Clean up a little bit. And as an example, I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm about to go get my haircut, and I'll see you after the haircut. And here's after the haircut. I'm already feeling a lot better than I was before I got my haircut. This is what I mean by a quick win, little confidence booster, cleaning up a little bit. As you can see, I've already started to shave, so let's get back to shaving. You ever hear successful people say invest in yourself? This is a way that you can invest in yourself. And there's the cleanup. Looking good, feeling good. Now, if you have a beard or a mustache or whatever, you don't want to get rid of it, it's fine. Just maybe trim it up a little bit, you know? Grab yourself a pair of scissors, trim it up, or pay somebody to do it. Either way, you're investing in yourself. Nice little confidence booster. Try it out. And if you do, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And I'll see you on the next video.